Ready to get started?
That sounds good. Let's do this.
San Francisco or Fire
I could
Peninsula?
be safe. Well, an island isn't a peninsula, right?
Well, I don't know. Fire Island. What Fire
I don't know
Island?
if this is right, but like gay Mecca.
Okay.
Let me look at the downs.
Hikers.
Gore,
Yeah,
right?
Gore. Swear.
Aver.
Monsters Inc. character who loves snow cones. Yeti.
I think so.
Jason with the 2008
Yeah.
architect.
Saturn.
Son.
I know it, but I don't know it.
Fan gathering informally. Con. Entered quietly.
Crept in.
Purposeless. Aim. No.
Okay, let's look at 15. Meaning I'm feeling like Mecca would work.
That's fine. Brutish overlord. Orthodontist retainer. Not take for granted. Prize.
Mm-hmm.
Emraz.
Sure.
This seems
No, it's okay.
Ellie. Okay. Adrift. Units equivalent to
1/6 of an inch.
throw or shoot. Serving pita. Arcade game feature.
Mhm.
Imagine a case in which soft shoes, mocks, maybe?
Sure.
Zero reaction, question mark. Hotel Hummer.
It's like a washing machine. I don't know.
Covering for a cold one.
Winter parka, winter coat.
Bar.
Eddie.
B-O-N-D. Lift one's spirit. Something awe.
Okay. I'm okay with that.
Unnatural. A lengthy Twitter post.
Second or anyone? I don't know.
Well, if winter coat is wrong, I can think of like a screed, as in. But
I don't know what a screed is, but that sounds fine. Get rid of the winter coat. I just don't know that.
a screed is like a rant.
Okay.
Basically.
You should get rid of the A and the W up top.
Hospital diagnostic.
MRI.
Imitation.
Fake.
Shrimp in a shell, maybe.
I don't know.
Accompanier of a black eye.
I don't know.
Covering. It's a
beer cozy.
How do you spell that?
Or a beer. Well, I would think cozy is like, I don't know if it's K-O-Z-Z-I-E or something, but I don't know. That doesn't seem right. Imbibe. Yeah. Like lift one's alcohol.
I see. Okay. Zero bar.
Burr. Like 0 degrees.
Burr. I got it. Okay.
Ice machine.
Forced.
Unnatural, okay. Right? If so, or I don't know.
Shrimp in a shell. Still don't know. A tusked beast. Something
sure.
hold wild hog, maybe?
Or a warthog, right?
A wart. Okay. Home to mine ruins like
Carousel, Nominee.
a long way to go. Countenance. Don't know. Heroic exploit.
It's like an epic or a saga or a
Yeah.
quest, right? I don't know.
Spare clothes. Put an S here for now. Actress Amanda. Don't know. Primed for.
Ready for. Not sure.
Don't know. Interminably.
Never
On and
ending.
on. And
Oh, on and on. works.
on and on. Movie series set inside a The Matrix.
Yeah. And what is 24 down? It looks like epoxy.
A miniature shark box.
And what's 23 across?
Throw or shoot.
Not sure.
Let's come back to that. Commit to a course.
Enroll.
Copper containers.
Well, copper containers, it could be like wallets, right? In
Mhm.
terms of like coins. But it could also be like no.
Pro in on something. Was that Roma?
I think that, yeah, that was the name. Is 33 down, or I'm sorry,
30,
prime
where
4.
33?
Is that by dint of?
Sure, I think that's correct. Although I'm not
That looks
sure.
like
Many a bill's name and commerce.
acronym.
Thank you.
On
Fine.
accident for off the mark.
Does that make sense? Copper containers for primed for
Road for, run for, road for.
what's this? Young as a colt. Cherry pick is done. C for one. Done. Heartburn reliever. Men, what are those called?
Well, there's like Alka-Seltzer, but or what are the
Antacids or Tums
Rolaids?
or
That's what I'm thinking of.
.com whose name is styled with an asterisk.
Is it E-Trade?
Is that right? So do you want to get rid of? I wasn't, to be clear.
That's fine.
I
That's
wasn't
fine.
super keen on this.
Inaccurate is off the mark and ripe for.
Copper patron.
No, it's not worrying about that so much. But
Cherry.
how about hull? Like that's what it's
Hull?
called when you pull the pits or the seeds out of cherries. Oh, patrol cars. Like cops sometimes call it copper.
Oh, I see. C for one.
Arc.
Leviticus calls it unclean and not fit for consumption.
I don't know if haram is like the, but anyways, I don't. Ooh, what's this AA?
It's the heartburn reliever. .com. What was it? E-Trade, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Greek locale once described as the island of overmastering. Where to fill a flask with alcohol? The tap
Tap
or rumpus?
is a do is a practice is a I don't know,
Puzzles.
something S.
What's this again?
Oh, is that maybe less Lesbos?
Okay. Tab.
Tab can still work.
What is this? Have unclean and not full for.
I mean, halal is the exact opposite of that, right?
Oh,
I like halal.
okay. Something feels slightly a
I
little
agree.
weird, but
A rumpus, maybe a to do, like a big to do.
yeah.
Puzzles,
International cricket matches.
plural.
Subscripts on are the points.
Yeah.
Ones who'll manage somehow. S.
Mhm.
Managers or CEOs or
I
something.
like acronyms, so
Changes.
what's a
Succinct.
troubadour?
Isn't that like an entertainer or like a
I thought it's maybe like the Mexican singer song, like guitarist.
succinct if nothing else? Terse. 2026 FIFA World Cup co-host.
Oh my goodness. Where it's 21 now? Where's
And the 3-letter.
well, FIFA is abbreviated, and so it could be abbreviated like España.
Focus of the 2009 Lily led. I don't know.
I thought that's the wage gap, but or like
In
or overtime, maybe overtime. It was some workers' rights kind of thing.
prepare on short notice.
Throw together.
Hunter of fish. What was this? Neat and clean.
Tidy.
Be found not guilty. Shockingly.
It's like get off, like get lucky, like no.
Civil rights activist Baker. Video file format. It's like a
Maybe overtime is
MPEG. I'm gonna try with MPEG.
oh, get off scot-free is sort of the thing that I'm thinking of, but that doesn't work.
Name of 6 popes, including
John.
What is this?
Or it could be Paul.
Paul. Oops. Paul. Neat and clean.
Info described on a Tinder profile. Like age, life. It's trying to make that. What about Kempt?
Here?
Mhm.
Can't put it.
Yeah, like
I
the
don't know.
opposite of unkempt. You know what unkempt means, right? And I think kempt literally is a word that
But isn't it unkept? Kempt?
it's kempt. Skate.
Skate like that?
Yeah.
Skate by?
Well, I don't think you say skate by, but like you skate
Sure.
means you.
Oh, something eagle. Sea eagle, something
Sure.
eagle.
How about a sea eagle?
Prepare something up. What is
Mhm.
this? Type.
Um,
Something pay?
so
Equal pay?
oh yeah, that's what it is. Okay, and so Ella.
Ella?
What about hustle up, rustle up, something like that? Okay, USA makes
Okay.
sense for a like co-host.
Succinct.
Brisk or no?
Changes.
I'm assuming it's a QUE at the end, right?
This is like H or R, right?
Probably is an R for that, right? Divertitor.
I'm gonna get rid of this S.
Okay.
A long way to go. I mean, warthog could be wrong too, right?
Mhm. Oh, claw.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Oh, picos, picas, pica. I'm gonna say A for
Well,
now. But
oh, well then if you're gonna put an A, then if say,
okay, let fly. Let fly. Yeah, that's fine.
Mhm.
L. I guess that
Means,
might be okay. Beer. Still not quite understand. Accompany a fat lip. A shrimp in a shell is
maybe a taco.
okay.
Okay, can we if see the 38 across can what about Belize? Sorry, I'm wanting a Z and I think it's IE or EE.
Where are you? Long way to go. A trek?
Okay, and then bikinis, I guess, would be spare clothes. Oh, spare as in not much clothes. Okay. And then that's going to be in,
Z?
yes.
Okay.
And then
Amanda
Peak?
P to P.
t-
A jest?
um,
That doesn't feel right. Just, I don't know, maybe. Countenance. A bill.
what about brusque? I think skate is right though.
Wait, where are you?
The last letter.
I see. Okay. Countenance is basically like a
It's like your face expression, right? But it's also to like accept. Like I can countenance some sass as long as
let's see.
abide.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Troubadour.
Bard.
I like that. MBAs. Yeah,
Okay.
that makes sense. Change
Values for 47 across. Alters.
Tests.
What's 47 down? Puzzles.
Puzzles are
Votes doesn't make sense. Vines. I mean, to do, I guess, could be wrong. But given the DO, so
where to fill a flask with alcohol.
I mean,
Okay, hold on. Patrol coppers. Inaccurate.
Malox.
Where are you?
Malox. Okay, and that's
Okay.
fine. You can fill it.
Camel?
I don't know.
A camel? What about cull? Cull. Cherry pick. Cull.
Okay.
Camel. To do. That's what you had anyway, right?
Vexes.
Oh,
Oh, that felt like that took longer than that, but I guess it didn't. We should look up the meaning of jest at some point.
yeah,
So
that's
twice our
right.
best, but a third better than our average.
Yeah, so it's
Can we pause here? I sort of want to see where our averages are at. So we're well under 15 for Tuesday. Your aim for Thursdays is half an hour
Yeah.
and Fridays?
Yes.
Okay. And your goal for Saturday and Sunday is 45?
That's for now.
Okay. Okay, that's okay.
Ambitious and yet not implausible.
Well, I'm still fixated on Monday and I've got the patience to see it through.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, what was it? A beer koozie?
Mhm. Deb sometimes does this with her like screenshots. Past decade. Okay, that sounds good. Let me know when you scroll.
Okay. Okay, I'm scrolling down. Apparently, Deb thought Screed was a gimme.
Was a gimme?
Yes.
I have never even heard of a gimme, but okay. I guess I don't spend any time on Twitter.
Well, I don't really either.
Oh, no. She said it wasn't a definite, but a really good guess. And it says because she happens to spend an unhealthy amount of time on Twitter. Okay. Well, we got mocks before Screed. Eddie was a gimme for us.
Okay. Okay, scroll down.
Yeah. I feel like we got something in the top right pretty easily.
I don't quite remember.
Okay.
Wait, top right is where we.
I'm sorry, I meant top left. Oh, it took us a long time to get if say. And Burr was not super. Or it took us a while to be like, oh, okay. Oh, and we sort of took a while to get to force too. So this quadrant was not as easy for us as it was for them.
Scroll down.
Yes, and it also took us quite a while to get to imbibe.
Yeah. It was not really rolling off our tongues.
Yeah, it took us a long time to get to taco too. We sort of felt, or I felt the same way at about 13 down. I wanted a beer cozy. Instead of a koozie, and even with koozie, I didn't know how you spelled it. Like I thought it might be two Z's or.
And how is it? Do you pronounce it koozie or cozy?
I know that as a koozie. And a beer cozy, I think she's saying, is something you would, like a tea cozy you put on top of a tea kettle to keep it warm. Whereas a koozie, I guess, goes on the bottom. I don't know.
It is. There is no such thing as a war tot, which is true.
All right.
Can I scroll down?
Well, I'm going to read this last paragraph. You didn't scroll down, but I haven't read the part about 36 down.
Okay.
To be a test. Okay. Let me see. It took us a while to get Louise in bikinis and Pete too. Okay, so what was easy for, and she got Pika's pretty easily. What was easy for her was not. So, like a lot of this stuff was sort of late in the game, kind of fill in for us. Sort of, or it's kind of neat to see how different people's strengths. Oh, that's what I got gay mecha pretty easily, but you didn't want to believe it. And so we worked the downs and we got, once we got the 2 C's, you're like, okay, fine, I'll fill it in. And we got the GA. And actually we got the GAY. It might have helped that I just listened to one of my story podcasts about fire.
Oh, you knew what it was. I didn't know what it was.
It's kind of like Cape Cod.
I see. Can I scroll down?
Yep. I'm surprised retainer wasn't easier for her. Oh, and she got Malex and Vexes. We were stuck on those for a while too. I feel like we're like the exact opposite of, if I look at where she's got filled in,
you're like, wait.
We were almost exact opposite. I think we didn't come to this quadrant or the one in the center left very early, but I feel like we definitely did the top left and the bottom right pretty smoothly and early. It's sort of cool. So you did it in college and then you became an adult, had a life. It was like, probably pandemic was like, maybe I'll try this. Oh, one across, which is game echo.
I'm ready to scroll down wherever you are. Can I scroll down?
Oh, did he do, he must not have done it because it's not being mentioned at all. But I think now that I think about it, this seems like one of the ones that has all of the letters, a pangram, because he has koozie, he had brush for the Q, he had vexes for the V and the X, he has Y for gay. Wasn't that Pope John? Was that what it ended up being?
Yeah. Or was it Paul?
What ended up being Paul for Kempt. That's right. But I bet he was going for that, given all the things now that I think about that are in there. He probably, oh, and Belize has a Z too. Right, I guess you have the crossing, the Z for beer koozie in Belize.
I'm going to start scrolling down.
Okay. I had fun. I enjoyed.
Sounds good. Yep, that's good. All right, thank you.